Video. Today we're going to look at one of the accounting functions, the future value, and that is the amount an investment will be worth in the future. So we're going to use a retirement fund calculator. So we need to know a few things because these accounting functions have several arguments. So we want to know our retirement age, our current age, how many years left, which really is just a simple subtraction of the retirement age and the current age, how much we think we can save a month, so I'm just making that a conservative 200, and an interest rate. Bear in mind the interest rates change, so we're only doing this with a look at that's at a relative interest rate. Actually, bearing that in mind, I might put that down to 1.3% just to cover future decreases. Okay, so we're going to put our future value in here, and we're going to start them by typing equals FV, and there we go. It appears magically on our list, and we're going to open our editor so we can see each of the arguments as we go. So our rate is our interest rate, and interest rates are always annual rates, and we're looking at a monthly saving. So we're going to just put in that, and we're going to divide it by 12, so it gives us a monthly rate. We're going to have our number of payments. So our number of payments is our 45 years, and we're going to do it monthly. So we're going to multiply that by 12. Our payment is the amount that we're going to put away. So that's our $200. And we're actually just going to put a minus in front of that. That's just so I can get a positive number out, because all these accounting functions work on actual values and they give you a negative number. So we'll hit OK, and we have got, we can say if we save $200 every month for the next 45 years at a conservative 1.3% interest rate, we're going to be able to save on that amount alone $146,662.65. So that's using the future value function. So thank you to listening to this CompSkill video, and I'll see you next time.